In this video, I'll show you how to use Sketch to define rip. Here I have a thin-walled part. Notice it is currently not a sheet metal part, and it cannot be unfolded because all edges are fused together. I'll create a sketch. On the angled face, I'll sketch a line. So I'll exit the sketch. Now I can use the rip feature. I'll select the sketch line. I can specify a gap distance. When I click OK, you can see the part is split at the sketch line and the corners remain intact. To complete the transition into a sheet metal part, I'll click Insert Bends. Select a fixed face. Click OK, and the sharp corners are replaced by bend. And the part can now be flattened.